Welcome viewers, you are watching YouTube channel Albaro eMoney. In this short video, I am going to tell you how to withdraw your earning from VieFaucet website to digital micro wallet FaucetPay. To sign up or register on FaucetPay is very simple. If you need a video about how to register on FaucetPay, you can comment me. Let's start the video. Log into your VieFaucet account. Come to the withdraw tab. You will see here two rows. One row is address and the other is amount. Let's log into the FaucetPay account. Now note down my Bitcoin balance in FaucetPay wallet. It is 8492 BTC, which is equivalent to $4.76. Click on deposit and copy address. Paste the copied address in first row here and write down the amount of tokens to withdraw. Click the Bitcoin FaucetPay option and fill the captcha, and at last click the button withdraw. Your Bitcoin has been transferred. Check the balance of Bitcoin in FaucetPay, which is increased definitely. Now for second withdraw, you repeat this whole process that I have described earlier. After second withdrawal completed, now let's have a look on withdrawal history of VieFaucet website. You can see there are two withdrawals are approved here. Data and time mentioned. Also check the funds are transferred into FaucetPay or not. Let's check the transaction history of the FaucetPay wallet. You can see there are two transactions which were made consecutively. Both withdrawals are successfully done. How simple it was, really. I hope this short video will definitely help you to understand the withdrawal method.